Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Verlaine, and today on my channel I'm going to be talking about how to style your knotless braids with a scarf. And I'm going to give you 6 easy steps and styles that you can use in styling your box braids or knotless braids, and you don't have to just wear it in one basic style, which is a ponytail. You're going to use a really long scarf like this. It doesn't have to be in this pattern. It can be in whatever pattern that you want to use to style your box braids or your knotless braids. And before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get started, guys. thank you guys for watching my channel and tuning in today for my head wrap tutorial on how to wrap your knotless braids or box braids with a scarf. And I'm going to be doing more tutorials on more styles the more I try on my hair, so that I can let you guys know there are more than one way to wear your braids and still look fashionable. So thank you for tuning in today, guys. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And hit that bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, guys, I am really stuttering today. It's alright. I had a long day with my son's birthday party yesterday, so I'm going to upload that video too so you guys can view that. We had so much fun. He turned 16 and I'm so proud of him. But we're not going to get into that to the next video, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.